I'm an Igbo man, but I'm not a Biafran. I'm a Nigerian. You understand? Obi is for all. Obi is for Nigeria. Let me tell you, this is not about Biafra. There is not a Biafra movement. This is about good Nigerian. This is about betterment of this country. We have been failed by our past leaders. Now we want to make a change, a better change.
You don't choose by religious or by your selfishness or greediness. You support based on competency. Somebody you know that can deliver. Insecurity doesn't know Yoruba. Insecurity doesn't know Igbo. He doesn't know Hausa. Poverty doesn't know anybody. We are all buying gari at the same price, buying rice at the same price, spaghetti at 500 at the same price. It's not about tribe. Let all Nigerians vote Peter Obi for competency and better Nigeria. Get obedient. Get obedient. Get obedient. Get obedient. Better Nigeria.
We weren't paid because we are Nigerian youths. Now we've suffered enough. I am from Imo State. I'm in this city, Abuja, because of what my previous governor did. He sacked us. We are tired of them. We want a breath of fresh air. We need fresh air in Nigeria. Now, this is a sign that good thing is coming. 4 days in the nation's capital, it has been raining. But today, that is Obi's day. We've never, look at the weather. The weather is very clement. It's a sign that good thing is coming.
This is the change they crave for. When this movement actually bets into reality, I believe there will never be any ASU strike. That is why you see the mammoth crowd. There is an ongoing saying that Peter Obi political movement actually exists on the internet. You can see, and we have 1 million of these people scattered all over Nigeria. These are the structures.
We are not happy. We've seen all of us coming out this moment to deliberate, to be able to go for this 4 million march in Abuja, showing that we are tired. We don't want this, our old grandpas, to continue to rule this country. We want fresh air in this country. And by God's grace, we'll have the mandate come 2023.
Obedience is not for religion, obedience is not for ethnicity, obedience is for Nigeria. So we have come out to chair Obidient movement. And Obidient movement, we are taking it to the corner, not only Abuja, not only Igbo land. Obedience is for everybody. I believe that Obi is for Nigerians.